Then obviously you need a drip irrigation roll. This one is 500 meters, 30 centimeters apart. Konda? Anda munda minari. Good.
Rishim.
Rishim. Good remember. Okay, okujana mbano shiwa gumbo okutoporo muri uwe shiwa gunoku kumuno ushole ina nji mwanga ipionji kumongara temba okusha pena ka muri unga kithani okatula nga kithani kusho kapangsha kutambena kyonyinga mokutu okokehitamba Kup. Okay, sure dumbo kujotora ngoka ka connection anga mundambo mumutiti mundambo mumunene imbwi umutiti imbwi mawiti ko ka paper mbo mutiti mawiti mokoto yo paper nji na nderekera mokoto upu uja kahitina na itoka muyungo Bereka. Kapo bosho nukusho po ukusho kukutamba mbanike kuta uja wike pamithe uja mea hato teremba po kumorokeramba mungeno anke vindembano Tupo maitupo kongarate kuthapo mundu wina o 30 meters akuthambo andumba mepumeke kwa kainina wanje maigomba kwamba itimo pepe aitupo kugenda mwina. Once you open the tap, the water eventually will come out of here, and when it comes out of here, there it's also coming. Then you know that your pipe is nice and clean, and then you can block it with this guy over here. This is how you block it. You just put an end and close it off. And then you tighten it there. Then you use this hook here, this hook, to pull it and make it nice and straight. After you've blocked it, there you can see the pipe is busy dripping. It's busy dripping. It does hold those intersections there, right here. It is busy dripping. Okay, so I need to know Oshi liter, 1 liter. So you can see 750. In fact, this is 1.5. This is 1.5. So we're going to measure how much water does every drip drops over a certain time. So we will put it in this hole here. Over in this hole, bring the drip. Now it's dripping in there. We will come and check it in 30 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Let's see how much water we got. And the water we got